How to save money on Shein. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can save money on Shein. Well, in order to save money on Shein, you can try and apply for discounts by applying a coupon code and reference code into your order. Now, if you have a coupon code or if you have promo code, you can simply head over to checkout on the item that you're willing to make a purchase. On the payment page there on the checkout, you'll be able to see the promo code option where you'll be able to enter in your coupon or promo code. Similarly, you can get reference code or you can share your reference code to earn points and various other discount offers as well. In order to share your reference code, you can simply head over to me option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then under more services, swipe to right and then tap on share and earn. Under share and earn, you'll be able to see the link, your reference link. You can copy it and share it to others, or you can tap on others and share it using various other platforms that is available there. Similarly, you can earn points by checking in and then completing various other outfit events and such. And you can see I have various vouchers as well, which you'll be able to apply it and you'll be able to use it during the checkout. So this way you can save money on Shein. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.